Hey there everybody, just want to show you one of the new things I'm adding to my Etsy shop and just kind of how you use these. I will have these offered in sets of 4, 6, and 10. If you need different quantity, let me know. These are just really super cute little gift bags that you can put all different sorts of things in. Let me give you a little bit of a description about the bags, because you will get these adorable craft bags. They're craft on the back, and then on the front they are made with, and I'm going to read from the product description, so I'm sure to tell you everything about the pouches. The natural craft material is 4.8 mils thick and features a clear front panel so that what you put inside can be seen, as this. They measure 5 1/8 by 3 by 8 1/8 and comes open-ended for easy filling. It features tear notches in the pre-printed lid area and has a bottom pouch so it stands on its own. Use a standard heat seal to secure the contents inside with a tamper-resistant closure. The solid craft panel allows for room for branding, nutrition labels, and more. So if you wanted to add labels to the back, you could do that. As it is completely just a craft paper on the back. It's very heavy, and then it has the printed, where they printed the mason jar look with the lid on the top. So this is what it looks like when it is filled, okay? So I have some candies inside. So when you close it up, when you fill it up, it will spread at the bottom. It's gusseted, so it will open up. You don't need to do anything to it. It may look like you need to peel this apart, but don't do that. So when you start filling the top, the bottom part, and if you want to separate it at the bottom, you can. Maybe like that, and then kind of stand it up as you start to fill and put your contents inside. It holds 4 ounces around about. That is the estimate that the company gave for these. But you say, well, I don't have a heat seal, or what is a heat seal, or where would I get one of those? So this is not sealed up. I'm not going to seal this one. This is kind of for my demo purposes, so I want to take this out. But you could also use like your double-sided tape, put a piece of tape up here at the top, or this is a little handy gadget that I picked up from Amazon. It was like $12, and it actually is a little heat seal tool. All you do is put in 2 batteries, and it has 2 little pieces here that when pressed together it forms a seal. Will seal the plastic. I have a spare bag over here that I just kind of used to play around with just to see how this works. And this one has been sealed at the top. You see there, it has been completely sealed at the top. So all you do with this, and again, it's not hot to the touch, so it's very safe to use. It does have a, just be careful if you were to get this one, and I will link on my YouTube channel, I will link the product in the description, but it's from Amazon. I think it's just handheld heat seal if you want to look it up. But it has a blade on it, so if you have little ones around, that may be a feature that you want to find one that doesn't have that. Okay, so anyway, I have my batteries inside. The batteries are just housed right here in the middle. So you just kind of pop that. When it's in storage, you just cover that up, so when it's together, it's not sealing anything or applying any heat to anything. So you just slide that back, and it has a natural resting place there where you just slide that back. And it also has a little groove right here on the top. You see that kind of has like a little indentation in the plastic. That shows you where the seal line is, and that really helps to kind of give you a guide, because you're kind of going at this blind in a way. So all you do is just place it just however deep you want to go. You have your seal line there so you can tell exactly, and you just press the 2 together and you just gently slide across. So if you know you're wanting to follow a certain pattern, you just use your little grid there on the top, and then that seals it instantly for you. You may have a food sealer. If you do a lot of, package your own food or whatever, you may have a heat seal from that. But that works great. Okay, so after you get your contents inside, you could just put your tape there. I would just put the tape right here along the the part of the lid so it kind of blends in, or you just would take your heat sealed in and just slide it across the top. There are natural notches right here at the bottom part of the cutout right here, so when the recipient gets it, they can just take it and tear it open as you would a normal package. So this is what it looks like with candies inside, and I will have pictures too. But in the kit you will get, it's not really a kit, everything's ready for you, everything's ready to go. So you will get, depending on the quantity that you choose, you will get the bags. Okay, these are straight from the company. I'm just pulling them right out of the packaging when you place your order. And then you will get the clips. And these are great because after you get through, after they get through opening, then it's an actual clip that they can use to reseal the bag. Okay, so this will come great way just to put this on top of your bag. I have put the little chipboard gingerbread boy down far enough where you can see he kind of hangs over the bag a little bit, and then gives you enough room to, you know, to be able to pinch the top. This has been covered with some really cute old Daisy D's paper. I'm trying to just go through my stash. I have so much great Christmas paper, and I'm just going to use it. You know, hey, why not? Anyway, so I dressed both sides of the paper, the clothespin, both sides of the chipboard die-cut gingerbread boy. I handmade a little wreath that goes on the front. Of course, I hand-tied some bows and added a little jingle bell to the front. So you will get whatever quantity you pick, and I will have different colors too. So just be sure you look in my Etsy shop and see. And then just pick what quantity you want. I'm offering at a very good price. I would like for everybody to be able to give something cute to the teachers and neighbors. Anyway, I just think they're really cute. So just be sure to check that out. But I just wanted to give you a quick run through of actually how to go about filling your bag and sealing the bag. And just be sure, do not peel apart this bottom. And just kind of open it up there, and then drop in your contents, and then seal the top. Okay, so that's it. I will follow it with pictures, a picture of this and where to find this, and I will see y'all later. Thank you.